Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flarto developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. And then finally, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!